Hey, Dave Kosmicki here. So every week we talk about the same things: trade wars, um, the Fed, and what's happening overseas. So trade wars, there really isn't anything going on this week as far as any stories or anything. However, the market is watching that closely. If any news does come out about anything positive or negative, certainly the market will do a knee-jerk reaction on that. The Fed minutes from the FOMC meeting will be coming out later this week, and the Fed chair will be speaking at the Kansas City Symposium, and we'll see what transpires there. We're not looking at any market stats coming out, but more words on what their indication is and who voted against a rate decrease at their last meeting and the like. The G7 summit starts, and we're not really expecting anything that's going to affect interest rates with that this week. However, there is close watch on Germany and on what fiscal stimulation they may put into the Eurozone, as they are the strongest member and they've got a band of weaklings around them. That's kind of what's happening this week. When I can help, do give me a call.